All right, Devney Family Farms, 4412F Cornhead. Let's see here. That's kind of what she looks like as a whole. Let's see. Of course, they're not showing up real good right there. I don't know how well you can see that. Those are right next to each other. Of course, I should have those chopping knives shown. Let's see, we're just kind of at a little bit of an angle here. I think this is an egg sensado steer. We used it on our 8230, switched to an 8250 combine, and that we just never paid for the install on it. Yeah, let's see. Anything else big? Brand new snoot today, so that's always nice. Little Jeff takes the rollers every morning. Yeah, jeans aren't in bad shape. Here's we don't keep her. And whatnot. This, see a little bend there. We did re-bend this out a little bit. Maybe that's worth seeing whatever. There, I see we got a little gap there. Really nice shape. It's running real good. Real nice. Here's the other side.